Stop the scroll. If you have tartar buildup, yellow stains and dull teeth, this is the video that ends your struggle forever. You're about to discover a zero-cost kitchen secret that cleans tartar and gives you a shocking, brilliant smile, all without expensive dentist visits or whitening strips. For years, big brands have kept this simple method hidden. Can a simple turnip and lemon really give you professional-grade whitening? Absolutely. And I have the proof. Welcome to the channel. Before we dive into the method, let's talk about the problem. Tartar isn't just unsightly. It's a plaque fortress that erodes your enamel and causes bad breath. Most people try brushing harder, but that just wears down your gums. You need a solution that gently dissolves the stains and lifts the tartar. What if I told you the solution is available for pennies at your local market? Watch until the end because the application technique is the crucial secret that makes this work. Let's get started. Ingredient number 1 is the humble turnip. Now, why the turnip? Most people only see it as a root vegetable, but its true power lies in its natural enzymes and high abrasive content. It's like nature's gentle scouring pad for your teeth. Crucially, turnip juice has a specific alkalinity that helps neutralize the acidic environment where stains thrive. You need 1 medium-sized turnip. Peel it thoroughly, and then use your grater or juicer to extract the pure raw juice. We need about 2 tablespoons of this powerful liquid. Next, we need our acidic powerhouse. Fresh lemon juice. Yes, I know acid and teeth sound scary, but when used correctly and buffered with a turnip, it is incredibly effective. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, which is a fantastic natural bleach. It actively works to break down the chromogens, the compounds that give coffee and tea their dark color and stain your teeth. We need exactly 1 full teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Look at that powerful blend. Now, we need the final binder to turn this potent liquid into a usable paste. We're adding a small amount of your regular toothpaste, about a pea-sized amount. The toothpaste serves 3 main purposes. First, it adds fluoride if you use it, for protection. Second, it gives the mixture the necessary consistency to adhere to your teeth. Third, it neutralizes any excessive sharpness from the lemon. Mix this thoroughly until you have a smooth, consistent paste. This is your professional, zero-cost whitening and tartar removal solution. Okay, the secret to making this method work is not the paste itself, but the application technique. You can't just brush normally. Apply a generous amount of the paste to a soft bristled brush. For 2 full minutes you must use a slow, circular motion. Pay extra attention to the gumline and the back of your bottom front teeth. That's where tartar loves to hide. The turnip enzymes need time to work their magic and dissolve those stains. After 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Go look in the mirror. The immediate reduction in yellow stains and the fresh, clean feeling on your teeth is absolutely undeniable. This isn't a temporary fix. Consistent use of this blend once a week will drastically reduce future tartar buildup. It is truly a game changer. If you were skeptical at the start, I hope the results have convinced you. If this hack saved you a trip to the dentist, please give this video a thumbs up. Share this secret with anyone who needs a brilliant smile, and hit that subscribe button for more zero-cost, game-changing natural recipes. See you in the next video.